What's up, people? Yeah. I just want to touch base with you guys about where I am with this Pontiac Firebird. Get ready to do it. Been doing the floors, but I'm getting ready to do the passenger side. And the passenger side I'm gonna cut out because this is in bad weight. You can see that. Once again, this is not a show car. This is a car that I'm going to be driving. I want to be sturdy. So, I started underneath. There's a brace right here. I'm going to end up cutting around that brace because that's rot. All that is rot. I'm going to cut along the edge of there, down to the edge, all that rot, and cut that out. Cut all that rot out and cut all of that out. And I'm going to cut all this out too. Cut to that line, I'm going to cut from there all the way down. I don't know, because I don't want to cut my brace. There's a brace right here up under here. I don't want to cut the brace. I don't want to take it off. I'd rather weld to it if I can. And there's something else about this. I don't know if it has a square, but this thing here has a square. Whereas the new one, I don't think the new one has a square. That hole right there. You may not be able to tell, but that hole is sort of a. Give it this called. Kairos can tell you what it is, but it ain't round. And see, here the part right is. Here's the part right here. Here's the part right here. Yeah, it's kind of squarish looking at it. Yeah. Anyway, I don't want to cut my brace off. I want to keep that bracket on there and weld to it. Because this bracket has got some support as well. It's pretty good steel there. And you know I am. Keep the original if I can. Not because it's pretty, because I want to support it. I don't want nothing coming up through there. A rock or something hitting me. But that thing, this is right by the wheel well. And this didn't get like this by itself. Rocks and shit beat up on that thing. So, anyway, I want to show you that. I'm cutting all around that edge right there. I'm going to try to cut it underneath because underneath stops right here. And this going back has a plate up under it. So I might have to take that out because that is rusted really bad. That's rusted really bad. So, alright, I want to touch y'all. Basically, talk to you later.